Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I feel.
Welcome back, fam. It's Joy Shopish TV, and we're back for another video. We are at our most favoriteest place, Hobby Lobby. If you don't like Hobby Lobby, I might have to take your temperature. But we're here, fam. We're here to check out the new spring 2022 items that they just put out. And hey, if you're new here, make sure you like and you subscribe so you won't miss out on these new videos. All right, let's get into it. Let's go. So fam, the first thing that we see here, look at all these cute little spring items. Spring shop is 40% off. You got your little water cans here. They got every single color. Hey, even look at the ladybug bucket. But the first thing I seen when coming in here is this Mother's Day. Look at the display. There goes Serenity's head again. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I am in love. Look at this painting. That is so cute. I'm loving this sign. I am a strong woman because strong woman raised me. So cute. Let's see how much that is. That is $9.99. And remember, it's 40% off on your spring shop labels. Oh, what a beautiful world. How cute. I even have a shirt that says this. What happens to a mom after she counts to 3? Momster. Ah, too cute. Let's see what Mama found. She didn't found.
See that blue vase I got in the hallway?
Oh yeah, that would go beautiful with that.
Sparkly
The sparkly stuff out and put that in. That would be good for the springtime, summer. Oh, there goes Serenity head again.
What's Serenity?
That's too cute. Taco party, y'all. Y'all can't. Hey, look, we got a lot of graduations coming up. We've got taco parties. Look at that. Look at that cutting board there. $9.99. Got a table mat. You found chairs over there? Oh, we're gonna have to check that out. Mama done found some new chairs. Let's go check those chairs out. Come on, Serenity. Come on with us. Walk down the lane of love. Look at all these cute wreaths. So beautiful. I'm liking this right here. Ooh, look at that one too. All right, let's see what Mom then found. Oh, she done found furniture over here. I'm liking this little table here. $169, and it's on spring shop tag. 40% off. I like this piece right here for like a table, like a TV stand or something. Wouldn't this be nice for like a room TV stand? Got the barn doors. They got chairs here. They are $149. These plastic chairs are cute also. This bench would be perfect, like for by your bed, or even in your walkway in your home. They've got all kind of good deals.
These are too cute.
Those are cute. $99. Now, would I put that in the house or would I put that outside?
Right.
I don't know.
Got the little kid chairs.
Too adorable. See how much those are. $39.99. Damn, look at these dried naturals here. Like these cotton balls. And what would you call these?
These.
I don't know. Looks like wheat to me. Fam, let me know down in the comments what this is called. Would this be wheat? Like a wheat leaf? Okay. Branches. Ooh, I'm even liking this right here.
Yeah.
Whatever this is. Like a pine cone, something. Y'all let me know. I'm liking these flowers too. And they're all 50% off. Great for if you have vases at home. You can put them in there. It's something different, not something that I come to Hobby Lobby for every day. And you never can forget the Hobby Lobby candles. They have so many great candles here, and they're 50% off all their fragrances. You can see a lot of the candles are bought up. See, this one is firewood and saffron. Let's see how much that is. That is $18.99, so it's $10. And that one is citrus and wild rose. Ooh, look at that one, Italian sandalwood. Let's see how that smells. I like that. That is $24.99. I wouldn't spend $24.99 on it, but hey. And look at these ones, sweet tea and hazelnut latte. How cute. Fam, look at this cute little signs here. Bless the food before us. It looks like for your kitchen. How cute is that? So, look at these frame sets. That is so cool. Like, you already have the frame set there, so all you will have to do is just grab which one you want and hang them up. You don't even have to put them together. That is so cool. And they are $79.99 plus 50% off. We're walking down the craft aisle here, and they have crochet kits. Needle art kits are 30% off. This is a great idea for the kids while they're off on spring break and hey, want to learn how to crochet. They also have latch hook. Look at this one, Serenity. They have stitch latch hook kits. How cute. I walked in the aisle with the clocks and the mirrors, and I kind of wanted to bring you guys out here, show you what they got. Look at that one, $29.99, and all wall decor is 50% off. Ooh, that one's beautiful. Let's turn around to the mirrors. These are gorgeous. Loving it. Hey fam, you guys can see my little, y'all can tell I just got out of work today. Working from home, I tell you, you put anything on. Oh, look at that cute mirror. I'm liking this one right here. That one is $69.99. That one's beautiful. Let's see how much that one is. $269. Loving these mirrors. Oh, this is so pretty. This is $2.99. And remember, all wall decor is 50% off. time I come here, you guys know I have to bring you down the lamp aisle because they have the cutest aisle. They have the cutest lamps. Look at that one on sale for $29.99. That is different.
It is.
I like that. I like it. Look at this one. This is like a chandelier kind of here. This is on sale for $22.99. That's pretty too. Oh, Mom, these yellow ones are $17.49. Those are pretty. I like that with that velvet blue. A little shimmer at the bottom. This set is really cute too. It's $99. I like how the shade is like a different shape. Fam, let me know down in the comments. You guys like shopping for lamps. I always like the different type of decor that they have, and looks so cute. Look at that one. Those are cute. Look at what Mom found. These are cute. Are these touch lamps? They look like it.
It's $69.
Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you better.
Now look at Hobby Lobby showing out with these hats, guys. $14.99. And they also have it in black. And then they have the little beach bag too with it. Showing out, guys. 40% off.
And they're $11.99.
That is a deal. I have some White Mountain ones like that, and I paid probably 20, 30 bucks for those. So Renee done found the knickknacks. The knickknacks section. Yes, she has. Oh, look at that little pineapple. That's cute. Boas, $3.99 if you're looking for one. It got stuck in your hair. They got all colors. $3.99. Fam, Serenity and I was looking in the clearance section, and we walked up to these little plant stands. How adorable. How adorable. They are what, $14.99 plus 40% off? I wouldn't pay the $14.99 for them, but man, look at these up here. How adorable. You need plant stands, come to Hobby Lobby. They've got them. You see, the larger ones are $49.99. How adorable. Fam, did you know that they sell little wig heads here at Hobby Lobby? Hey, just filling you in. They're $7.99.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
Fam, they are ready for summer and spring. They are ready. Come check them out. They got all your foot mats and your outdoor pillows. They have them all. Looks like the floor mats are $19.99 plus 40% off. Look at those down there. How adorable. The Gathering Place. Good vibes only. I know that's right. Amen. Life is better on the porch. Oh, yes.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Baskets galore. Baskets galore. Oh, look at this little guy. How cute. Kids furniture.
You can sit down.
Yes. Look at that little lounge chair, Serenity. You would love that in your room. You would love that. How much is that, I wonder? Let's see. Look at that, Serenity.
I don't know you, but I want to.
Give me a truck.
Yes, right?
Yeah. A truck and about 6,000.
How cool, guys. Mario Brother cups. They have a Stitch cup. I know she's excited. Let's check and see how much that is.
I saw you from across the room.
All right, fam. Well, I hope you enjoyed coming with us today. We found a lot of great finds. They have a lot of spring 22 items, and I thank you for coming with us. And make sure you check us out in the next video. All right. So you want to subscribe, you want to like, you want to ring that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.